Hi, while working on a WordPress website, have you ever wanted to have that little edit button on the front so that you don't have to go searching on the back end and find your post? Well, my name's Adria, and today I'll show you how to do that. Here we are on a WordPress website. In fact, it's Fresh Workshops, where I do training on WordPress. And here we have a page. I'd like to edit it, but there's really, no way to do it on the front end. Some themes come with an edit button, some don't. Maybe you've modified yours, so now it's gone. Well, I found this great example of how to go ahead and include it over at Jean Galea's site. And we see here we take this snippet of code, PHP edit, post link edit. So if we go ahead and copy that, I'll show you what you need to do to go ahead and create this quick edit link, which will allow you then to go ahead and quickly hop to the back end of your WordPress install and do an edit. So the first thing we need to do then is bring up our FTP client. In this case, I am using FileZilla. CyberDuck has a new FTP client for Windows, otherwise CyberDuck's pretty much just for Macs. But here we can see that I am getting connected. I'm going to go into my theme that I'm working on, and then I will be editing the single post file. Now, if I want to have pages be editable, I should go in there as well. In most cases, you will be editing the single.php, but with this specific theme, it's actually the template _ single.php we'll be editing. So the next thing you need is a text editor. I use EditPad Pro. There's a lot of choices out there. I use this because it allows me to have multiple files open and unlimited undo. So we see here the single PHP, and there's really not enough in here to make changes, which is why I said we need the template _ single.php, and we see it being called right here. So I have that open as well. We're at the top, and we see that there's some formatting, page top, subheader, main, and so on, right? Basically, we want to put this edit link somewhere like under the title. As you're browsing your site, you'll know when you want to make a change to a page. So we see right here, there's an H2 heading, and then there's a link, there's a permalink, there's the title, and then it has the time, category, and author link. So we can see that information right here. Title, date, categories it belongs in, and author link. So the link will go right about there. So we'll go back to our text editor. And what I'm going to do is actually put this outside the div tag, because if it was inside the div tag, it would take on the characteristics of the formatting. So I will go ahead and paste it right there. So there we have the PHP edit link, quick edit, and this is the wording that it says. It could certainly say anything you wanted. So I'll go ahead and save this, and then I will go back to FileZilla, and I will say upload. So now let's go over to a post. Here we go, current WordPress and blog training. And we can see right here it says quick edit. I can go ahead and click on that and it'll take me to the back end. And then we can go ahead and edit. So let's say we want to do this for all the pages as well, because I do have quite a few pages on here. It's the same process. In this case, we would normally be editing the page.php. When I right click and do view edit, let's see, header text, breadcrumbs, have posts. Oh, actually this is the one we'll use. So we see here then, if have post, we kind of look for an area. There's the content, looking for the title. Title may be up here. Subheader text. Well, let's see what happens if we put it like right above the content. So I'll paste this in, hit save, go back over to FileZilla, upload this, and go to a page. One of my pages would be like live classes. So we'll head over there, and there we see it says quick edit. Sweet. So folks, that is how you do inline editing on the front end of your WordPress site.